Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Shudipto and you are watching Shudipto Dotto. So today I'm going to show you how you can connect your OnePlus TV with your Bluetooth speaker and Bluetooth headphone. So turn on your TV. So now you have to go to the settings of your TV, Android TV. So after coming to this screen, now turn on your Bluetooth device which you want to pair with your OnePlus TV, like Bluetooth speaker or Bluetooth headphone in pairing mode. This is my candy skull headphone neckband. So now after turning the device and making it in pairing mode, go to the settings and go to remote and accessories. Now click on add device. So here you can see that my device is showing, so you have to click on that. It is saying that pairing, so now you have to click on pair. So now it is connected. As you can see that only the blue light will be blinking. So now you can see that the blue light is blinking, so that means that my device is connected. Now please subscribe.